Okay, so this is going to be a video on me splitting some wood, just the raw sound out here in nature. It sounds pretty nice, so take a listen. Chunk of wood here. It's got a good knot. Should be fine. So that was pretty much me just chopping wood, but I wanted the sound to be, it just sounds so crisp. I wanted it to be to where you could hear it. I mean, this wood is, I mean, it's hard work. I just want to inform, a lot of people probably don't know, this is tough. This is actual work. I mean, splitting wood. Abraham Lincoln, they sent him out splitting wood when he was 8-year-old until he was like 22. Gosh, I think he split, well, he would make rails for fencing, and I think, I heard a number, I was reading an article one time, I'll probably put it in the description below, of like 3,000 rails he made. So that's quite a bit. Abe Lincoln was, you know, eventually he become, I think, a lawyer and then on to the presidency. But, you know, I'm not saying I'm going to become president, but I am saying this is hard work. So for anybody who, you know, is trying to get into it, just know that, you know, just understand that the aspect of splitting wood, especially with a maul like I've got here. This is probably 15-20 pound maul. It'll build character. It'll build muscle on you for sure. But anyway, guys, if you like the video, please give it a like. Feel free to share and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.